Hey, hi, hello guys, how's you doing? And welcome back to Core with Nani channel. So today we're going to discuss lead code problem of the day 2176 count count equal and divisible pairs in an array. So in that you are given a zero based index of length n and integer k. We need to return the number of pairs I comma j where j should be greater than I and such that nums of I should be equal to nums of j and the index value of the both multiplying I and j should divisible by k. So we need to figure out um, number of pairs where their multiplication of their index should be divisible by k and the values of respective index should be equal. Okay, let's get into this. Suppose we are given nums. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, and k as 2. So this is the zeroth index, this is the first index, this is second index, this is third index, fourth index, fifth index, sixth index. So if we carefully observe, what are the condition? Nums of I should be equal to nums of j, and I into j should be divisible by k, right? So if you carefully observe, 0 and sixth index both values are equal, and if you multiply 0 into 6, that is 0, which is still divisible by 2. So that satisfies the condition. So now the counter equal to 1. And if you carefully observe second and third index, these values are equal. These values are equal. And if you multiply, it is just 2 3 is a 6. 6 it is divisible by 2, right? 6 is divisible by 2. So now the counter is 2. And if you see these two values, second index and fourth index, so both the values are equal. And if you multiply their indices, that is 2 into 4, 8, which is still divisible by 2. So now increment the counter. And if you see this 3 and 4, both the values are equal, and if you multiply their index which is 12, it is still divisible by 2. So now the counter reaches to the max 4, and that is the maximum number of pairs that we can get from this nums n. So that is the answer. So how you can do so in a very easy way, as the constraints are very low. So what you can do is you can iterate one pointer from 0 to n, another pointer which is j with I plus 1, because if you are starting from here, then another pointer should start from here, like to check the pair. You cannot start from here because we already checked for these two values in the previous index, right? So if one pointer is starting here, the next pointer should start from here or here or here. So that's why it's I plus 1, because as it is a pi. Okay, I'll walk you through the code, you'll get clarity. So what I'm doing is I'm just initializing the counter as 0. One pointer is from 0 to nums dot size, another pointer from I plus 1 to nums dot size. Suppose if both the values on their respective index are equal, and if multiplication of both the indexes is divisible by k, then just increment the count and return the count. So let's just submit the code. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss any notification from my channel. So if you had any queries regarding my explanation or regarding code, or if you have any suggestions, do put it in the comment section. So I'll help you out, guys. So if any suggestions, I'll try to execute in my next videos. And that's it for today video, guys. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with a great content.